Welcome to Tagbilaran. Ang baggage natin ito. Ayan. Kanamong baggage.
Thank you.
Ocean Jet. Okay, so we just disembarked from Ocean Jet. We're getting our baggage. Natong na. Andiyan na yung sundo natin.
Diyan na siya.
Sabi nag-PM na ako Nag-PM na ako deposit. Gcash. Grabing technology ngayon ba? Ha? 1.5. This is yung Ocean Jet that we rode from Cebu. Took us mga 2 hours reaching the area of we're here at the port of Tagbilaran. So Tagbilaran is the capital city, I think, of Bohol. We're going outside.